Alright, so I got this little master lock, insert intro, da-da-da, 140, nice little keyway. I don't know, a little different than the bigger master locks. I like these guys, they were good practice locks. They got a little funky inside, but they're fun to pick. Good practice. And yeah, I'm gonna get to it. Bottom of the keyway tension, and using one of my homemade transmission dipstick tensioners with a antenna pick that I made. And I know there's bypasses on these too, but I'm gonna switch it up. Try this guy. There's another one. It's made out of a little rotting snake for cable. And we got it. Boom. Master lock 140. I don't know, they're fun. Good little practice locks. And that is it.